Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss part 3 of chapter 1 Physical Education class 11. Today we will be studying career options in physical education. Careers in physical education can be broadly divided into two types: emerging careers and traditional careers. Emerging careers include those careers which have emerged in the recent decades, such as health-related career, administration-related, performance-related, and media-related. Whereas traditional careers are those which are already in practice, such as teaching career and coaching career. Teaching career. It is believed that physical education is a professional field appropriate only for those interested in teaching career. But it is not so. Teaching career is one of the options in the field of physical education, but there are many other options too. Teaching opportunities in field of physical education are at different levels, such as elementary school. Through the programs of physical education, children become creative. They develop self-image and grow in a meaningful manner. But in case of India, there is no career opportunity for physical education teachers in elementary schools. And this is one of the main reasons why Indians are lagging behind in the field of sports. Middle schools. In the schools where physical education teachers are appointed for class 6 to 8 are required to teach other subjects as well, and consequently the opportunities of jobs becomes insufficient. High school and senior secondary school. Physical education teachers teaching in high school and senior secondary school are required to teach theory as well as practical to the students. They prepare various teams of sports for inter-school competition. Hence, there are a number of opportunities in this field. In college and universities, physical education is an optional subject. There are various professional courses in physical education as we have discussed in the previous video, that is part 2. It can be noted that teaching in non-school settings are applicable in USA, UK, Germany, etc. But no such opportunities are available in the field of physical education in India. Teaching in non-school settings, it means teaching in sports clubs, youth and community organizations, centers for elders or resorts, etc. Coaching career. Many physical educators prefer to opt for coaching as a career, and many physical educators want to opt both teaching as well as coaching as their career. Opportunities exist in both the school and non-school settings, in school as teachers and in non-school settings as coach. Coaching career has some disadvantages too, like long coaching hours, time-consuming practice sessions, difference in salaries at different level of appointments. A coach must motivate the players. Is apart from giving physical training to the players, a coach must motivate the players too. The coach must have qualification and experience as per his requirement of job. Suppose if coach has to join some university as a professor, so he should have that qualification to teach there. Health related career. There are many opportunities in health related career, as nowadays people have become more health conscious and they want to become healthy and fit. This increasing need of healthy lifestyle has opened the gate for health related careers in the field of physical education. Health club is one of the options in health related career. On one hand, some health clubs are fake, that is, they just concentrate on collecting money, but they do not provide good service to the people. But there are many health clubs which are reputed and they also provide excellent programs to the people. Physical educators may find opportunities in such health clubs because they can give physical trainings. Another field is athletic training. In India, such careers are available only at the national level, not at the small levels. Generally, athletic trainers work with national teams and sports. In India, these opportunities are very less, but they are widely available in Western countries. Administration related career. As we know, in last few decades, there has been an increment in sports participation. This increment in sports participation has developed a need for individuals trained in sports management. There are various fields in physical education where administration is needed, such as Department of Physical Education. There can be a separate department of physical education, but in India there is no need for separate management because it is based on the seniority. Sports Department. The Director of Sports is responsible for the administration of various sports and games. He is responsible for administration of sportsmen, preparing the sports budget and supervising coaches. Industrial recreation. Nowadays, companies are providing recreational and sports opportunities for their employees. So, the companies need qualified professionals to direct these activities. Next is sports facilities management. Generally, it can be seen that there are a number of people who want to have sports facilities. In such fields, facilities managers are required. That means administration is required in the field of sports facilities management also. Performance related career. This career can be divided into two types. First is career as players. Though a large number of sports persons participate in games and sports, but only highly skilled performers reach at the top level. Also, so many jobs are available in India for skilled sports persons in government as well as private sectors. Second career is as officials. The smooth conduct of a sport tournament depends on skilled and experienced officials. As you know that it is the performance of players which remains for short duration. So, after that sports person may pursue their career as officials. Why? Because they have gained experience and they know the ins and outs of the games. A good official must be able to work under pressure. He should not only have knowledge of the rules but also possess good officiating mechanics also. Various officials in tournament are referee, umpire, timekeeper, recorder, scorer, etc. Career in communication media. Communication media such as TV, radio, newspapers, etc. have contributed to the increment of opportunities in sports communication. There are various opportunities such as sports journalism. It is basically suitable for physical educators having talent of writing. Book writing. As we know, there is shortage of physical education books in India. Therefore, it is suitable for physical educators having deep knowledge to opt book writing as a part-time career. Sports photography. It is applicable only to those physical educators having keen interest in photography. Book publishing. Example, we need good editorial works who are familiar with demands of publications related to the physical education. Sports broadcasting. It requires both knowledge of the game as well as the ability to communicate clearly. Marketing. Increment in sports and games has developed the need for more sports goods and other related items, and thus their sales has also increased. Sports industry. One may establish sports industry related to footwears, t-shirts or other sports items as well. Hence, there are a number of opportunities in physical education, but still there are many careers which can be created. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye bye.